this video, I'll show you how to check hidden posts on Facebook using the mobile app. First, open the Facebook app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy and tap on it to expand more options. After that, tap on Settings. Now scroll down the settings page until you find a section called Your Information. Under that, tap on Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of your posts, likes, and other actions. Once you're in the activity log, tap on Your Facebook Activity and then select Manage Your Posts. This will show you a list of all your recent posts. At the top left of the screen, tap on Filters to open the filtering options, then choose Categories. From the list of categories, tap on Posts Hidden from Profile. This will display all the posts that you've previously hidden from your timeline but haven't deleted. You can now view and even unhide any of those posts if you change your mind. If this helped you out, feel free to give the video a like and subscribe for more helpful tips.